As I got my John Deere here, pay attention to the video. I'm going to do several things for this. Upgrade the headlights. Check these out. 1156. These are awesome, guys. I love this tractor. I also did the modification to remove the pre-filled oil filters, so you can do the standard oil filters using the standard oil filters and pouring in the oil, okay, yourself, right through the dipstick. Then also, I'm going to show you the access to the air filter. Guys, keep your John Deeres running forever. I've got 60 hours on this, so barely broken in, and it's running great. Thumbs up. You know, a lot of the new John Deeres, they come with those pre-filled oil filters, and I'm old school, man. Like, keep it simple, keep it basic. All you need is a drain plug. That's the new retrofit. That's the dirty oil coming out. And the oil filter is just a regular standard oil filter now. Okay, so this, I purchased it several years ago, and it's been running good. I've only got 60 hours on it, less than 60 hours to be honest. And this is my second, let's see, 1, 2, maybe third oil change. Okay, so I try to change oil at least once a year, even though I don't drive a lot of it, but it's been treating me pretty good. So if you do this, you're gonna make your engine last for a much longer time, okay? This is the retrofit. It just slides on in right over there, and it works great. Check out the link in the description. Check out the full video. You will see it. Give it a thumbs up, guys. Here we are. So all I did, guys, I'll show you here. This here's the plastic cap cover right there. Okay, if you look at it carefully, you just twist it to take it off, twist it to turn it on. Very easy, very simple, okay? And let's see there, if you can see that. You see that? Okay, I'm gonna fill it up through the dipstick. Right here, I'm gonna fill it up through the dipstick. This is the cap. Again, you just twist and you pull, and then all the oil drips out. When it's done, you just push it back on, clip it to the left, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna fill it up. Oof, probably about 2 to 3 quarts. I use 10W30. The big thing is to make sure you change the oil at least every 50 hours, and I like to do it about every 25 hours. So whatever the manufacturer says, I'll cut it by half, because guys, that's why my tractors, mowers, and cars last a very long time. But that's should be less than 3 quarts, okay? Or about 3 quarts. And that is how you do it, guys. That's how you do it. All right, guys, here's some more maintenance stuff. You got to loosen these 2 screws here on the top left to get to the air filter. What you got to do, once you do that, you just pull it up. And guys, that's dirty. That's freaking sick and dirty. So I'm going to take it out. I'm going to bang on it a little bit, replace the filter. After I buy a new one, all it does is slide out, and it slides back in, guys. Just like that, okay? Boom, there you go. All right, guys, I've got this John Deere E120. So we're doing some maintenance on it. Just got the oil change done on it. So it comes with headlights. And guys, I'm going to give it a really good upgrade. Okay. So check these out. I just got these. They came in a while ago, and I am finally getting around to putting them in. Okay, so these are the AUTOONE LEDs. The link will be in the description for these. Okay. This is the type 1156. Okay, that's the socket type. And they make this super easy, guys. I mean, look, I already took out the left one, okay? So it's just a regular light bulb. Same with this one, you just left to loose. Newer ones, gonna make it good, okay? So we're gonna snap that in there. There we go. Okay, so I put it in and it goes in like that. So all I did was shove it in there and turned it right to tight, and it snapped right in place. So we're gonna turn it on, show you what the headlights look like. Now this is daytime, so not sure how obvious it's gonna show, but literally takes seconds to do, okay? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn on the headlights. Wow. Actually, that's a big difference. Okay, so that's the original, and that is the new one, guys. I do need to give this a wash, but I am loving how bright that is. I mean, look at it. So at nighttime, there's gonna be a huge difference. You can see right now, the left and then the right. So guys, I highly recommend these AUTOONE LEDs. I think you're gonna love them. They make it look so nice. Give it a thumbs up. Super easy to do. Wow. Huge difference. Thumbs up, guys. All right, guys. John Deere E120. I just upgraded the headlights. These are 1156. I just replaced them with AUTOONE LEDs. I am loving these guys. They look really, really sharp. I'm gonna check that out. They are really nice. It's actually much better in person than it is on camera. But guys, give these a go. Loving them. Super easy to do. All you do, lift that up, left to loose, and it comes straight out. Same with these, left to loose, they come straight out. I'll show you here in a sec. I'm gonna turn off the lights right here, okay? That's the AUTOONE LEDs 1156, okay? Check out the link in the description. You will love these. These are so awesome. Huge upgrade on the John Deere. Just gave her a little wash. So give it a thumbs up, guys. Over and out. Hey guys, I just washed my John Deere, and because the housing is made of plastic, I've used this, and guys, it looks amazing. Like, I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I bought this several years ago from Home Depot. I didn't do a good job scrubbing the mower deck, but guys, the housing looks pretty darn good. I still think it looks really good. It's at least 3 or 4 years old. And Chemical Guys has pulled through. Links in the description, guys. Give it a thumbs up. Hey guys, I just washed my John Deere, and because the housing is made of plastic, I've used this, and guys, it looks amazing. Like, I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I bought this several years ago from Home Depot. I didn't do a good job scrubbing the mower deck, but guys, the housing looks pretty darn good. I still think it looks really good. It's at least 3 or 4 years old. And Chemical Guys has pulled through. Links in the description, guys. Give it a thumbs up.